Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Necee. It's nice to meet you. Don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Support your girl. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, hit that bell. That way you're notified every time I upload, which is every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to be playing around with this little toy mini washer. And I'm excited to play with this, one, because it's like legit a kid's toy. It says for 3 years old and up. Two, I actually saw a commercial for this and they were using it to clean their beauty sponges. And three, I'm actually going out of town tomorrow, so I need to clean my beauty sponges anyway. So I figured, why not clean them, test out this bad boy, and do it all with you guys. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and unboxed it and put some batteries in here. Here is the mini washer. It actually comes with this little drain here. And if you actually open up the top, you can see that when you press the button, the little thing in the middle actually spins. So I'm actually thinking that this is gonna be a hit. Alright, so I'm basically just gonna go ahead and add some water in here. It didn't come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna wing it. And I'm gonna add some soap. And then I have my pretty dirty beauty blender here, and I'm just gonna stick it right in there. And I'm gonna press the button. It's like stopping for a second, so I have to move the beauty blender around. But it might be cleaning it. It's getting real up in here. Oh, focus. There's so much soap coming out of it. I'm literally making a mess. I'm having to basically put the beauty blender up and down. And sorry guys, I adjusted the lighting, that way you're able to see the washer. My lights are so bright that it's kind of making the washer look weird, so. Now it's like letting it go around, but at first it was kind of stopping and I was having to move it around. Should be done, you think? It actually looks like it's clean. Woo! Stop it now. And I'm gonna empty it all out and then I'm gonna come right back. Wow, guys, I'm low-key impressed. So I drained all the water out and everything. There's still quite a... Okay, there's still just a little bit of water and soap in there. There's definitely lots of bubbles because it does spin around like a washer, so be careful with that. Don't put too much cleaner in if you guys do purchase this and try it out yourselves. Let me just clean this up, hold on. Because it did get so bubbly and stuff, I feel like that really cleaned out the beauty blender. Because honestly, I know you guys saw it first. It was a brown bottom from all my foundation. And then I have my pretty dirty beauty blender here, and I'm just gonna stick it right in there. And this thing is like squeaky clean. Mind you, I did have to get up and run to the sink and run it over some water and kind of squeeze out all of the soap that was in it. But besides that, it cleaned it. It probably only took about, I don't know, a minute, maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Super easy. It's definitely way more time consuming doing it yourself in this sink. I can say that for sure. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to wash the rest of my beauty blenders here, which I do have 4 other ones, and I'll just kind of show you the bottoms of them so you can see that they are dirty. So these are all originally like 2 light pink and 2 dark pink, and they are pretty nasty at the bottom. So I'm gonna wash these, give this a little bit more of like a chance and like, you know, fill it out a little bit more, and then I'll come back and I'll give you guys my initial impression. Okay, so that got a little messy. I ended up going over to the kitchen to finish that off because the soap was just getting everywhere and the water was spilling. I have carpet and it just wasn't a great look. I have a little towel here, but that just wasn't enough. So yeah, definitely be aware of how much soap you do put in, because the soap with the water, that washer is like pretty powerful. You know, it's little, so it like makes it foam up, and it makes so much of the foam, and like from dunking it in and out, it definitely gets it pretty soapy. But honestly guys, for $3, this is bomb. Like low-key, this makes me want to actually clean my beauty blenders more often. I mean, I have enough of them to where like I can keep going without washing them, but once it's all, you know, piled up, then I have like 10 of them to do at once, and I'm like, great, you know what I mean? Plus all the brushes that I have to do, I'm like, it's so much more faster than like, you know, putting the soap on, holding it under the water and squeezing it out so many times and scrubbing it against your hand or like a scrub pad. Literally, you put it in there and kid you not, like I said before guys, about a minute later and it's done. Both sides, and it cleaned them out so well. Like usually, even if I clean it under the sink, there might be like one spot or something where the foundation just bled so much that it's like almost impossible for me to get out. Like I've literally been sitting there scrubbing and scrubbing and adding more soap and scrubbing, and that thing, no problems. I might have had to like maybe stick one back in there for another go round, but honestly, it wasn't that much of a hassle. I felt like it definitely did its job really well. Like these are clean. I will definitely put a link in the description box down below if you guys are interested. It's just gonna make your life so much more easier, and it's only a few bucks. But yeah, so that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.